Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make shakshuka. So first I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. Over here I have 4 large eggs, and then I have 3 tablespoons of finely diced onions, 2 tablespoons of finely diced garlic, and then some parsley. I need about half a tablespoon of chopped parsley. This is just for garnish. And then about 3 medium tomatoes that I've diced up, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm going to be using about 1.5 teaspoons of salt overall. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is preheating my 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now you want to make sure the oil is not too hot so the garlic doesn't burn when you add it. So now I'm going to be adding my diced onions and my garlic once the oil is hot. And I'm going to mix that together for about 30 seconds in this oil, and then I'll be adding the tomatoes. And once the garlic becomes a little golden like this, now I'm going to go ahead and add the diced tomatoes. And I'm going to keep this on a medium-high heat, and I'm just going to cover my pan. I'm going to let this cook until the tomatoes become soft, and I'll show you what they should look like. And this is what the tomatoes should look like. And now I'm going to go ahead and add about 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and just mix that in. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of water to this tomato mixture, and I'm going to cover it again on medium-high heat for about a minute. And after about a minute, now I'm going to go ahead and use a spoon and make some spaces for the eggs. This is where I'm going to be cracking my eggs. I'm just going to crack each egg in each space, and then I'm going to be covering my pan again, and I'm going to lower the temperature to medium heat, and I'm going to let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, depending how runny you like your eggs. So if you let it cook for about 4 minutes, it should be not very runny, but the yolk will still be kind of gooey. So if you like it completely cooked, I would do it for 5 to 6 minutes. And before covering the pan and cooking the eggs, I'm going to add a pinch of salt to each egg. Alrighty, so this is about 4 minutes later. I like my eggs not completely cooked, but not very runny, kind of in between. So it's been 4 minutes and it should be perfect now. And now I'm going to go ahead and just garnish with some chopped parsley, and this will be ready to serve. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut into one of the eggs so you can see what it looks like on the inside. Perfect. This is exactly how I like it. If you like it completely cooked, just let it cook for a few more minutes. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.